Have you ever imagined a light, delicious meal that helps you lose weight in a healthy way? Forget restrictive diets and boring meals. With roasted vegetables, you will discover the pleasure of eating well and reaching your weight goals without sacrifices. Get ready for an explosion of flavors and colors that will surprise you. Don't forget to like this video and follow Healthy so you don't miss any recipe. That craving for something tasty and healthy without guilt is totally understandable. After all, who said losing weight has to mean suffering? This recipe is ideal for anyone who wants a healthier diet and to lose weight without giving up the pleasure of eating. Roasted vegetables are a great source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, essential for a balanced diet. In addition, the roasting process helps preserve nutrients and enhances the natural flavor of the ingredients, without the need for large amounts of oil or heavy seasonings. And to help you even more, know that there is an amazing ebook, 500 Delicious Keto Recipes Cookbook, full of healthy and delicious options for you to try. With it, your options for light and tasty meals multiply, ensuring variety and helping you maintain your ideal weight with pleasure. The link is in the description. This roasted vegetable recipe is perfect for lunch, dinner, or even a special event and is so easy that anyone can make it. Let's go to the ingredients. For the vegetables: 1. Cauliflower 450 grams, 1 broccoli 250 grams, 3 carrots cut into slices 280 grams, 300 grams cherry tomatoes, 50 grams each bell pepper, yellow, red, and green, 500 grams sweet potato and 500 grams regular potato, all sliced. For the seasoning: 1.5 cups water 320 milliliters, 1/2 cup olive oil 110 milliliters, 3 tablespoons minced garlic, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon thyme, optional, but gives an incredible touch, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon oregano and 1 teaspoon turmeric. First, wash all the vegetables well. Separate the cauliflower and broccoli into florets. If they are large, cut them in half. Peel the carrots and slice thinly. Leave the tomatoes whole, cut the bell peppers into strips, and slice the potatoes into rounds the thickness of a finger. Put everything in the baking dish. Now the seasoning. In a bowl, mix the water, olive oil, garlic, black pepper, thyme, salt, oregano, and turmeric. Pour over the vegetables and mix with your hands or a spoon. Spread the vegetables evenly, leaving space between them so they roast golden and dry. This simple organization ensures a perfect and uniform result, leaving your roasted vegetables impeccable. You will see that the flavor is much better than roasting with all the vegetables together. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the baking dish in the oven for 40 minutes. Then stir to cook evenly and return for another 30 to 45 minutes until the point you like, firmer or very soft. That's 70 to 85 minutes total. If you prefer, you can cover with aluminum foil, and once the vegetables are cooked, just remove the foil and let them brown a little. Done! Your roasted vegetables are delicious and ready to be enjoyed. Perfect for anyone looking for weight loss without suffering. For a more complete and healthy dish, combine these roasted vegetables with proteins such as grilled chicken, beef, or tofu to add nutritional balance, or serve over a base of quinoa or brown rice for more fiber and sustained energy. Another tip: add a fresh salad on the side for a vitamin boost, making the meal even more nutritious and satisfying. So, shall we make these amazing vegetables? Tell me in the comments, which vegetables will you use in your version? Do not be afraid to innovate. Add a touch of your favorite seasonings and create personalized variations. The beauty of a healthy meal is in your freedom of choice and creation. Try different combinations of vegetables and seasonings, unleash your creativity, and be surprised with each new recipe. You will be amazed at the practicality of preparing this beautiful and healthy dish. One essential tip is not to open the oven several times during cooking. Every time you open the oven, the temperature drops and the cooking time increases. Be patient and wait until the set time to check the point of the vegetables. And to inspire you even more, take a look at our 500 Delicious Keto Recipes Cookbook, full of delicious and healthy options that will help you on your weight loss journey. Click the link in the description to access a world of healthy and tasty recipes. Like the video if this recipe inspired you, share it with someone who needs healthy ideas, and subscribe to Healthy so you don't miss any practical recipe that will transform your kitchen. See you in the next video.